In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting your ClickUp personal API token. If you're looking to automate your ClickUp tasks, build integrations, or connect it to your favorite apps, the API token is your gateway. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate and generate your own API token confidently and securely, so you can take your productivity to the next level. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your ClickUp workspace. This is the dashboard where you manage all your tasks, lists, and projects. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to generate the API token. It can feel a bit easy to get lost if you have multiple workspaces or accounts, so double-check you're in the right one up front. It really helps avoid confusion later. Once you're in your workspace, look up at the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. You'll see either your profile picture, initials, or a generic icon if you haven't set one yet. Click on this profile icon. It's essentially the gateway to all your personal and account settings. Just a quick tip, sometimes it can feel like button overload in these dashboards, but your profile icon is always at the top right, so it's a solid anchor point whenever you need to tweak settings. After you click your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you customize and control most aspects of your account, from notifications to integrations. Don't rush this part, a lot of valuable tools hide here, but for today we're focusing on the API section. As you enter the settings page, look over at the left-hand side for the ClickUp API option. It can be easy to miss if you're quickly scanning or if your screen resolution is a little zoomed out, so take a moment to scroll and find it. The API section is what allows you or your applications to talk directly to ClickUp, so it's important to find the official entry point here. Now, if this is your first time in the API section, you'll need to create an app. This might sound technical, but don't let the term app scare you off. It's really just a name and identifying details for whatever integration or automation you have in mind. For this tutorial, I've already set up a sample app to show you how it's done, but you'll simply hit Create App, choose a meaningful app name, something you'll recognize like Zapier Automation or Personal Tasks, and fill in the required fields. Once you create your app, you'll see two important pieces of information appear: your client ID and client secret. Think of these like a username and password for your app, allowing it to securely access your ClickUp data with your permission. It's important to keep these safe and not share them publicly, just like you would with your own login credentials. If you're connecting to an external service, you'll typically copy these codes and paste them into the integration setup to authenticate your connection. Now your personal API token is either displayed right there or available with a quick copy button. This is the magic key you'll use for any automation or third-party service that asks for ClickUp API access. If you're not seeing it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes you might need to refresh the app page or check your email if ClickUp sends it over for security. And there you have it. You've generated your ClickUp API token and are ready to start connecting and automating. If any part of the process seems confusing, remember that settings layouts sometimes get updated, so just follow along and look for the prompts as you go. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. And if you have any questions about API tokens or ClickUp in general, just drop a comment below. I always answer as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.